isn't it?
The first step. Yeah, it's your boy, JB Money Official. So, you back here with another video, but today's gonna be a great video. Today we about to go to Microcenter to upgrade a PC, get some parts for it. We're gonna have a great day today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We coming with some high energy, high bars. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Catch y'all there. Hope you guys watching to the end of the video. Appreciate y'all. Peace. Alright guys, we at the Microcenter right now, so we about to go ahead and go inside there. We in Rockville, Maryland right now. So yeah guys, about to get lit guys, I already know. Hey. The other way? Oh. How you doing, sir?
Are you here for shopping or service?
Shopping.
Like any hand sanitizer?
Yeah. Yo, look how much stuff is in this store, bro. This store is crazy good.
Glued to the pavement between the lines. I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors.
The one you got to sell? That. Big one ain't nice. Let's see, y'all got some. No, I mean, a couple of I got most everything else like the motherboard and stuff. RAM. We trying to figure out just the pricing between the RGB 32 gigs or the non-RGB. What deals you got on that? Gonna need to be the super fast RAM.
RGB will be around 60 to 70 depending on the brand.
Compared to the non-RGB 32. What deals you got going on? Sometimes the one with, even with the with the cord is good too instead of the USB.
That's USB.
Yeah, I mean it don't matter. I mean 2.4 gigahertz is a good connection, and it do wire. It do both. That's pretty good. Just give me that one.
Yes.
All right, let's roll. Hold on, so them we bought some parts up here. Yeah.
I'll be right back with that.
All right. We can close it up. It's in there.
The first step.
Justin, are you ready to be making some fire videos?
Got me lazy in traffic.